Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this stylish sleeve. So if you like the idea, please don't forget to give this tutorial a good thumbs up. But now let's get to it. Over here I've got my pattern paper and I am going to mark the center line of my pattern, and the length of my sleeve actually it's 8 inches. So right from the center line of my sleeve I'm going to mark 2 inches from one side and 2 inches also from the front side of the sleeve. Then I'm going to extend the line all the way to the full length of the sleeve. So at this point we are going to slash and spread method. So I'm going to cut through the lines. Now we're going to need a new pattern paper and just mark a straight line from that new pattern paper. Place your sleeve pattern. Now I'm going to open one side, which is going to be 1 inch. And then I am just going to glue the first side or the back side of the sleeve, and then on the front side I'm also going to open it up by 1 inch and then glue it up. Now on the back side of the sleeve I am also going to open up 2.5 or 2 inches, and I'm also going to glue it down. Now also on the other side I'm also going to do the same thing, open it up by 2 inches. Now moving on to the center part of the sleeve, we want to mark on that point, we want to mark 0.6 of an inch and then just create a new sleeve head. Now on that 2-inch opening we want to create a center point and then mark it all the way down. And I'm also going to mark it onto the front side of the sleeve. Next thing is to also extend the lines on both of the sides. Now this line is going to be 2.5 long. To mark a straight line. And also what you do for the back side of the sleeve, you want to do it also on the front side of the sleeve. So the next thing, once we are done creating this, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight all the lines and trace around the sleeve. Now as for the bottom, you just want to go ahead and draw a straight line. So once we're done, we want to go ahead and cut out our pattern. Please take note that seam allowance is not included as I was drafting this sleeve pattern. Now guys, over here I've cut out my pattern on a pink fabric and I went ahead to add some seam allowance, which is around 1/2 inch seam. So moving my pattern away, I am going to first join the two and sew a 1/2 inch seam with a straight line or a straight stitch. Once we are done sewing the straight stitch by joining the two, we want to go ahead and do gatherings on the sleeve head in order for it to fit on that straight line. So what I'm going to do is to create some gathering on the sleeve head. Once we are done creating some gathering, we want to go ahead and join the two parts or close it up by sewing a 0.5 seam allowance. So guys, it's already taking shape. As you can see, this is how it looks on the outside. So you want to go ahead now and close the other side. As you can see, I'm just going to close it and then go ahead and sew a straight stitch right on top. Okay guys, so once we are done sewing that, we want to go ahead and close the side seam, and I'm just removing the threads. Please make sure that you do the same for your sleeve, and I'm going to use 0.5 or half an inch seam allowance to sew the side seam, and please don't forget to hem the sleeve also. And there we go guys, we are done sewing our sleeve. I really love the way it turned out. It looks so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it on my mannequin so that you guys can have an idea on how it should look. And there we go guys, this is how it turned out and how it looks on my mannequin. As soon as you attach it on your garment, it will look much better also. Hope you guys will enjoy making this project as much as I did. As for me, see you on the next one.